Students, we are taking new topic equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Now for the equation of the x-axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of the y-axis is x equal to 0. Equation of a line parallel to the y-axis at a distance m from it is x equal to 0 plus m, or you can say x equal to m. Okay, this is the equation of a line parallel to the y-axis at a distance m from it. Okay, x equal to m. Now come to a equation of a line parallel to the x-axis at a distance n from it is y is equal to 0 plus n, or you can say y is equal to n. Now here we are taking exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Give the geometrical representations of y is equal to 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variables. Okay. Now for the solution for first part, which is your in one variable, we have been given equation is y is equal to 3. Since it is a linear equation in only one variable, that is y, so it will have a unique solution y is equal to 3 as shown on the number line. You can see. Now we know that on a number line, on right hand side we have positive number and on left hand side we have negative numbers. So we want to show y is equal to 3. So it is positive 3. So we move towards right side and this is our point 3. So we will get the equation of the line is equal to y is equal to 3. Okay. Now for the second part, we can write y is equal to 3 as 0 multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by y is equal to 3. From this we can see that the coefficient of x is 0. So whatever the value of x you will put, it automatically becomes 0 because its coefficient is 0. And the coefficient of y is 1. Okay, and the constant term is 3. Now when you put x equal to 1 in this equation, so 0 multiplied by 1, you will get 0, and therefore we will get y is equal to 3. When you put x equal to 2 in this equation, again 0 multiplied by 2, you will get 0. So again we get y is equal to 3. And when you put x equal to 3, so 0 multiplied by 3, you will get 0. So again the value of y will be 3. So we form a table of the coordinates x coordinate and y coordinates. When we put x equal to 1, we get y is equal to 3. When we put x equal to 2, here you can see we get 3. And when we put x equal to 3, so we get, when we put x equal to 3, we are getting y is equal to 3. Okay. Now we will plot these ordered pairs 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3 like this. So this is our x-axis, the horizontal axis. This is our y-axis, the vertical axis. We have taken 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. This is positive of x, this is negative of x, this is positive of y, and this is negative of y vertically. Okay. Now since we are moving towards first ordered pair, which is your 1, 3. 1 x coordinate is 1 and 3, this will be the point 1, 3. Then comes our 2, 3. So x is 2 and y is 3. So here we will get the point as 2, 3. And thirdly, we have 3, 3. X coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 3. So the point will lie here 3, 3. So when we join these points, you can see, when we join these points, you can see we get a straight line. We name straight line as AB as the name of the line, and this line, straight line, represent the equation y is equal to 3. Thank you.